The Boen Manor, also known as Boen Gard, is a historic estate located in Kristiansand, Norway. The manor has a rich history that dates back several centuries. Boen Gard was originally established in the 17th century as a noble estate. Today, Boen Gard is known for its well-preserved historic buildings and beautiful parkland. The manor house itself is a popular venue for weddings, events, and cultural activities. The estate is also open to the public, allowing visitors to explore the park and gardens. Since June 2020, Boen Gard is offering 18 rooms and 36 beds in total, along with unique conference facilities. Beside this, it's possible to fish salmon in the nearby river Daae. The manor is newly renovated, and the rooms and bathrooms are in top shape. The Michelin restaurant has put a lot of time and effort in order to make their kitchen as self-sufficient as possible in regards of produce. The garden is home to honeybees, and it also boasts a vegetable garden, herb garden, as well as a wide range of berries that are harvested from the berry shrubs. The old orchard brings different sorts of apples and pears. The kitchen at Boen Gard is now 80% self-sufficient with regard to vegetables, fruit, and berries. Everything is organic, of course. Sheep and lambs graze along the river and keep the vegetation at bay. The lambs eventually become part of the menu, along with wild salmon caught in the river by anglers who hold angling rights in the Total River. Small local suppliers, that we often have close contact with, deliver the remaining produce. All suppliers can be reached within a maximum 90-minute drive.